Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M4 Pro 5G, and today I'll show you how you can reset this device through settings. So to get started, obviously you want to open up settings right over here. And in here you want to select about phone and then choose factory reset from the bottom. It will give you a message that performing this basically removes a lot of things like your, let's see, does it show me? It'll give you a message right here that it basically can back it up or factory reset it. And here are the things that I guess it removes: accounts, contacts, photos, videos, apps. Backups is questionable because backups are an online thing and anything in a cloud isn't being factory reset. SD card data also questionable, considering you can take it out, and I don't think this device actually has an SD card, so that's another thing. And what is there else? Other items on this device. So genuinely, it just removes everything on here. Things like contacts, photos, music, documents, anything that have put on there yourself. So anyway, once you click on the button and confirm your pattern if you have one, it will give you the option to back it up if you want to do so. If you don't, then just proceed by selecting factory reset. Then you are blocked by 10 seconds right here of your time being completely wasted because Xiaomi considers you, or considers its users to be inept and not actually know what this process does. So it literally blocks us by another 10 seconds, just making sure that we are fully aware what this process actually does. Stop on OK once we actually are able to, and this will begin the process. Now this will probably take about 2 minutes or so to finish up, and once it has, we'll then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.